In this video, you'll learn how to import a coupon on Blixo in just a few simple steps. The only way to import a coupon is by importing directly in the coupon section. Let's get started. To begin, let's navigate to the Settings section. Next, click on the Coupons field to access the coupons list. Click on the Import button and click Import CSV to go to the Spreadsheet Import Coupons page. If you don't have an existing CSV file or don't know how to create a valid CSV file, you can click on Download a Sample Coupons Import Template to download a sample CSV format file. To upload the item's CSV file, click the Upload button and choose the file. You can upload multiple CSV files here. The final step to import is to click the Start Import button. Let's check it out. Success! The coupon CSV file has been imported successfully. Voila! You have successfully imported coupons in just a few easy steps. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.